Besides these amazing third-party builders like Elementor and Divi, WordPress also has its own powerful block-based builder called Gutenberg. In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to use Gutenberg to create a post in WordPress. Let's get started. In Lesson 6, I showed you how to add and edit pages on your website. Now, I'll show you how to add posts to your website. For those who don't know the difference between pages and posts, pages are used for static, evergreen content like About Us or Contact, while posts are used for timely chronological content like news articles or blog posts. As you can see, I'm inside the WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Posts, and then click Add Post. You can also use this Add Post button at the top. The editor will open with a field labeled Add Title. Type your post title here. For example, Test Post. This title will become the name of your post page. If you want to hide it from the page, click the eye icon to hide it. Gutenberg uses blocks for every element on the page. You can add them in two ways. The Quick Inserter. Click the plus icon on the right side of an empty block. The block library. Click this Browse All button to view all available blocks. Let's select and add a heading block. Type your heading text. Use the floating toolbar above the block to change the heading level, like H2 or H1. Now, add and select the paragraph block from the library. Let's add some gibberish text. You can customize the text, like making it bold. To add a link, highlight the word or words, click the link icon in the floating toolbar, and type or paste your URL. To access more features and change the appearance of a specific block, make sure the Settings sidebar is open by clicking the cog icon in the top right corner. Select the text you want to customize. Adjust the font size by choosing options like small, medium large, or extra large in the sidebar. In the dimensions settings, you can add padding and margin. Using the border settings, you can add a border and change its color and size. We also have an advanced option here. If you know HTML and CSS, you can use it for further customization. But for beginners, this is usually a no-go area. To change colors, select the text in the sidebar. Under Color, you can change the text color or background color if you want. You can even completely transform the block from a paragraph into something else by selecting this icon in the floating toolbar. To delete a block, right-click on it and select Delete from the bottom of the menu. You can use many different types of blocks for various purposes, such as text, media, design, and more. In addition to blocks, we also have patterns and media tabs here. Let's switch to the Patterns tab. This allows you to drag and drop pre-designed layouts directly into your page. Let's add a post pattern. Nice, but for now, let's delete it. Now, let's move to the Media tab. Here you can add an image or video from your media library. For example, I added my channel logo. If the right-hand sidebar is hidden, click the Settings or cog icon next to the Publish button. Here, we can customize the image, alternative text, aspect ratio, and more. Let's change the logo size to thumbnail. Now, here's the interesting part. What happens if I copy and paste a blog post from Word or Google Docs into Gutenberg? Let's try it. I'm copying the blog post from the first lesson of this WordPress tutorial into Gutenberg. As you can see, Gutenberg automatically converts the content into relevant blocks, like this heading and this table. Now you don't have to manually convert text into different blocks. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's add the embedded YouTube video from the same lesson at the top. Search for YouTube Embed in the left sidebar and add it. Copy the YouTube video link. And just like that, we now have our YouTube video inside the blog post. At the top right corner, we have a few options to save as a draft and preview the post. First, let's save it as a draft. You can also publish it directly by clicking the Publish button, but it's highly recommended to preview your post first by clicking this button, so you can see how everything looks. So that's how we use the Gutenberg builder in WordPress. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to add categories and tags in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and bye.